paper plastic sorting production line. Can be used to recycle various paper plastic composite packaging materials, such as coated paper, kraft paper, paper plastic composite woven bags, Tetra Pak and Combiblock bags, etc. Recycling process. First, the paper plastic composite is fed into a twin-shaft shredder via conveyor belt for shredding. Second, the shredded paper plastic composite enters a paper plastic separator, which uses a water mixing and friction separation method with the main shaft screen plate to separate aluminum foil and plastic from the paper plastic composite. Then, the water-soluble pulp passes through the next machine, a dewatering machine. The pulp rotates with the screen cylinder inside the dewatering machine to a certain height and is thrown down due to gravity, filtering through the screen to form sieves. Finally, the dewatered pulp passes through a pulp filter press, where it is squeezed and compacted by multiple press rollers. Final outputs: plastic aluminum foil pulp. Pulp can be used for envelopes, packing paper, toilet paper, etc. Plastic can be further molded and made into various plastic products, such as pen holders, trash cans, etc. Aluminum foil can be used as aluminum powder in paints or fire extinguisher powders, melted into ingots. Please feel free to contact us if you have any needs.